All right, so welcome back to the channel. Just got home from work. We're back out in the garage here. Um, I'll show you what I did. I went ahead and, I'll show you here. I went ahead and I took the coil springs out of the front so I could lower it to see where I got to clearance my inner fenders and how it'll look with the tires going up inside the fender. So I'll lower it here a bit for you. All right. There. So you can see it's starting to look real good. Based off the distance and my travel, I can still go a little lower. The new wheels that we get, I talked to the car owner, and we're going to get some, I think we're going to go with some 20s, some real nice wheels. So, but anyways, they're going to be roughly the same size, diameter-wise. So this is a good, the offset and stuff will be different, but this is going to be a good base for getting the height. So ride height will just be a hair lower, but I really like how it looks. And the only other thing I did do a little bit, but when those A-arms come up, I have to do a little bit more. I have to clearance them fenders just a little bit more to clear that. So. So I didn't get a ton of stuff done this week, but the car owner, he did come by with some parts. He had the seats, what he told me was he had the seats recovered a long time ago. He's had this car for a few years and wasn't able to get around to doing it. So, but he did get the seats recovered right away, and we'll show you them because they look real good. And he brought a couple other parts. What I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to take my truck and trailer to work, and after work I'm going to buzz to the steel store and get some steel to build the back portion of the frame. So yeah, so we've been waiting for a few little parts, and I'm still waiting for the bushings and stuff for the link material. So hopefully that shows up soon. So yeah, so let's take a look at these seats now. So this is the front seat. Like I said, I don't know where he got them recovered, but whoever did it did a real nice job. I think they look real good. I sat in it too because it's sturdy enough and it feels good. It's very comfortable. So this is the front seat, and this is the back seat here. So I think it needs to be in the car to kind of put it together, but they match anyways, and they look real good. So yeah, so we're starting to collect a few parts. He brought a few by, and again, we're waiting for a few more, but then it's starting to look good. We brought some coilovers, so that'll help me get that back end going once I get that steel in here tomorrow and start chopping it up. We had seemed like a real busy week, but we didn't get a ton done. But we did have some visitors here, which was real nice. So we had Brian from Cruise Culture come by with his wife. It was real nice of them. They're real friendly people. They're starting up their own YouTube channel, and they're doing very well. Yeah, thanks for coming. Yeah. So I'm Shane. This is my shop. This is what I do. We started our own channel. We're finding some success so far, so it's pretty exciting.
That's good. Yeah, we've been following along some of the projects. I'm excited to see what happens.
Yeah, I appreciate the feature is going to be in, he told me probably in February's edition of Cruise Culture magazine. It's called Blue Collar Garage. So go out, grab the magazine, check out Brian's channel, Cruise Culture, and yeah, you'll see my garage there at some point. So it'll be fun. I'll be looking forward to check it out. And then we did have another visitor too, and it led to another project that will you guys tune in and watch, and you'll see that project. It's going to be a cool little project there. So we'll have that in a video here coming soon. But yeah, anyways, pretty excited. We got some. Well, there's never shortage of projects, and I'm looking forward to it. So, hey, so it's morning. I got my trailer hooked up to my little truck there. Like I mentioned, I'm off to work actually, but on the way home from work, I'm gonna stop at the steel store and grab a little iron to build the back half of that frame. So, anyways, that's what like I said, I'm headed out. I'll stop on the way home there and grab some iron. All right, so here we are. I got just picked up the steel. You can see it on the trailer there. But anyways, I got that. I had to grab some brakes for my daughter's car from Napa, so I grabbed them as well. Shoot, it started snowing today. We got lots of snow. This is the first real snowfall of the year, actually. Usually get a lot more sooner. But anyways, I'm gonna grab a tasty beverage, head on home, and get to work on this car. Okay, so you can see I got home, got my steel brought in. It's gonna work real good. Unfortunately, that's all I can do for now for this video. Like I said, I grabbed brakes for my daughter's car, so I got to change them brakes. But the car is gonna look real good. I think it's starting to look pretty tough. So I hope you guys are enjoying the process of seeing how that thing's gonna turn out. Again, check out Cruise Culture. Pretty happy that they came. I was very kind to them. Nice people. Check them out and watch for our next project that we're going to start right away here. I'm going to try and mix, a couple projects at a time, because this other one's a pretty exciting project, I think. So it'll be pretty good, and we'll talk about that in a future video. So yeah. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and check out Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, stuff like that. So thanks for watching.